Hi there, I'm Andrew and today I'm fishing for trout. I'm really excited to be out here. It's about 6 days into the opener for this section of the river that I'm on, so it's been relatively untouched, if not untouched, for several months. This section specifically that I'm on right now, not many people spend the effort to get up to it, so I might be the first person. I got a whole bunch of new lines this winter. I got a bunch of game changers. These are really cool because they're a tapered shooting head. So they go from a float to a intermediate to a even greater sink and then a deeper sink. So this one is S3 at the end, and then I have T8 at the end of that. So this should be getting down pretty deep. I've never cast this line before. It's going to be a learning experience, but I have it on good faith that this is the right line for this rod. So let's see if I get one. Gosh, so good. Just buttery. You wouldn't even think I had T8 on. You definitely feel the weight of the Skagit, right? Like, it feels like a Skagit line with a heavy sink tip, but just no problems getting it out. I like it. There we go. First winter fish of the season. Good little trout too. Sorry. Nice little trout. All right, they're in here. That's a good fish. Nice little fish. Come here, honey. There you go. A healthy trout right here. Look at that guy. Little red band. Nice little fish. Well, that was pretty stinking epic. I might just call it a day. Sometimes when you have a good day, you're just satisfied, you know?